This JECONE binocular microscope delivers a wide, practical range of magnification from basic classroom work up to detailed cellular study, making it genuinely useful for both beginners and serious hobbyists. The combination of wide-field eyepieces and well-matched objective lenses produces impressively sharp, bright images that hold up even at the highest powers. Its dual illumination system, with independently controllable upper and lower light sources, handles both transparent slides and solid specimens without fuss. The integrated multicolor filter wheel is a thoughtful touch that boosts contrast on clear samples, often avoiding the need for messy staining in a home or school setting. Ergonomic touches like the angled binocular head, smooth rotating turret, and adjustable eye spacing make longer viewing sessions comfortable for adults and older children. A precise mechanical stage paired with separate coarse and fine focus knobs allows you to move specimens smoothly and dial in crisp focus, which is especially valuable when working at higher magnifications.